The Solis is built on the Ram Promaster chassis, powered by a 280 horsepower V6 gas engine. Its classic pop-top extension provides additional sleeping for two and a restful night's sleep thanks to the comfortable Froley sleep system. With its surf-to-slope design and two available floor plans, the 59P and the 59PX is sure to appeal to all types of adventurers. The 59P is available with a sofa bed or a fold-down Murphy bed that folds up out of the way when you're not using it. It also features a fold-down table on the flip side of the Murphy bed to create a workstation with a view when the rear doors are open. The 59PX is built on an extended chassis, so it's slightly longer. It also has the Murphy bed, plus a spacious gear storage area in the back with L-track mounting points to store bikes, outdoor gear, and more. Something families or adventurers will definitely appreciate. The 59PX also features a new and extremely quiet Onan generator that meets National Park sound requirements, as well as the Coleman Mach 10 NDQ air conditioner. Both floor plans include a dinette with automotive-grade seating and 3-point seat belts for more secure travel, which makes the Solis easier to use as a daily driver. Additional features include a 220-watt flexible solar panel that allows you to go off the grid and stay fueled. The one-panel system is fitted to the top of the pop-top roof for a sleek and unique look. We've also made water easy with features like our dual exterior wash stations, cassette toilet, simplified water panel, the easy-to-read freshwater tank sight glass, and the Eco hot water system, all designed to keep you on the go, stress-free. The Solis also offers premium ceiling-to-floor insulation, zipped air barrier window coverings, and interior coach water lines to keep the weather at bay and the sounds of the road out.